Welcome to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see a awesome video, a rug pull video, biggest rug pull in the crypto history. Crypto is a trillion-dollar business, right? Trillion-dollar business. In this trillion-dollar business, a rug pull has happened. Crypto planes. Hope you all know about the crypto planes, CPAN, in short form of CPAN. So hope you all know about this. Let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so we can check in coin market cap. CPAN is the crypto plane, guys. Right now it is trading 0.50447, guys. Just calm down, guys. Check it, the all-time high and low. No need market cap. Check the market cap, just $70. Oh my god, you are laughing, right? Just $70, guys. Check the all-time high, $488. $488, and all-time low is 0.501. Check it right now, it's trading for 0.504. You guys can understand right now what is happening, right? All-time high is 488, nearby $500, and all-time low now trading 0.551. Guys, this is the biggest rug pull in crypto industry, guys. You can check 30 days low and high. This is like high is 0.03, guys. See here right now 0.501, and 1 year history you can check it. 488, 501. This is biggest rug pull, guys. Crypto plane owner, they sold everything, they sold their project, everything, and they escaped, guys. This is the biggest cheating rug pull things happen in crypto history, guys. Right now this coin was traded great value, 488. This coin was traded some dollar recently. Right now they sold everything and they escaped, and they cheated the project as well. And the crypto project got cheated, guys. Just come down, just check here website. Just go to their website, guys. Okay, if you click on their website, it won't load the website because they closed everything, guys. And if you click on Twitter also, it won't. There is no Twitter account in that because everything they closed and they escaped, guys. Okay, so this is the biggest rug pull in the crypto industry, guys. This is a BEP20 coin, and this is the biggest rug pull recently. I think it's been 2 days. They sold everything, all those coins, and they escaped with their, guys. Still now you can check it. BSC scan, you can go to the BSC scan. Still now also you can check the token crypto planes. There's 1,61,535 addresses right now, guys. And still now also, after rug pull happened also, still people are buying the coin. 3 minutes ago a person swapped 50 lakh coins. A person, but lot of person are buying lot of coins, guys. So this is already done everything. This is the biggest rug pull happened, guys. This project is done, guys. They given lot of airdrops, something, a lot of they given, but after that they cheated every people, those who are invested in this project. So this is the biggest comeback, guys. So this is the biggest rug pull happen in crypto industry. So my advice is, anything happen in crypto industry, not in crypto industry, in online, like anything will happen, guys. So whenever you can, just make money and come out, guys. Don't just invest and patiently don't wait for it. If you are investing in a good project like in exchange coins, something like that, that would be best. But like this, this coin is not listed in any exchanges, guys. Okay, just it is listed in only like PancakeSwap and decentralized exchange only they listed in, guys. So don't believe in those kinds, guys. Okay, just be safe, guys, because like this anything will happen. Recently also compound finance is fake, like that. Lot of rumors are going on. I don't know what will happen exactly. Just need to wait up to 28th, guys. Okay, so need to wait up to 28th and need to wait for it, guys. Okay, so have to wait and see. So in crypto, my advice is, in crypto industry anything will happen, guys. So you have to make, if you want to make money, you should risk your money and you should make money. If you wait for it, nothing will happen, guys. So take risk and eat risk. That's my point. And like this, anything will happen. Like big project also like this will happen. Anything will happen. But whenever the present thing, you just make money and just come out. That's my point, guys. Okay. Thank you. And finally, the giveaway is going in our channel Tech Views, guys. Don't forget to join in our giveaway. Thank you.